Hi guys, welcome back. Today's your long-awaited video of my vanity room tour. Now that I've finally got it cleaned out, so I hope everyone likes it so far. I do want to get like a little table or a bookshelf to put in for my books. But it is now clean and finally ready for you guys to view it. Now that I've got all the stuff from my hauls off the floor and everything like that. My hair is a complete mess. I will talk about that later, but let's get started. Sorry, I'm getting wobbly here. So when you walk in, there's my dresser. I think it's a 20s or 30s, but not sure. But it matches my vanity perfect. And on my dresser, I have my tray of all of my nail polishes that I actually purged loads. I mean, my nail polish was full on the tray and wrapping around here and through there. Like I was running out of room on the top of my dresser for my polishes, so I purged all my dark blues and dark greens and blacks, the colors that I don't really wear anymore. I'm basically into my reds, and like this is a pastel frosty green. I'm into like my frosty colors, like this one. I did my nails in a coral color the other day. I have my little powder container that I got at a thrift store. My little photo of Marlene Dietrich. My little lamp, lady head lamp. She's so cute. This is my lamp that I always used in my videos that would always shut off on me. It was my mom's. It has a little key that turns on the side. It had another one, but it fell off a shelf where I was storing it and broke, so I'm left with just one, but it's just the cutest thing. I believe it's from the 50s. It was my mom's, like I said, and she gave it to me, or gave them to me when they were a set. And then I have my little cat looking in the mirror on there. My leopard print curtains, which are always in the background, along with my Marilyn photo. I got this little table where I work, and I just keep my hair stuff on it. I put my sunglasses there for now, just to keep my vanity somewhat clear. My other Marilyn photos. Oops, sorry, going off frame. I have that one and that one. I got all of these at Walmart. They were like $11, I think. And then there's my other one that's always in my videos. There's my Heidi Shoop lamp. I need to buy a shade for that one. I have another one. This is the radio Heidi Shoop lamp. Let me know down below in the comments if you'd like to see my little collection of antique lamps, because I'll be happy to do that one, because I think that would be fun. Then I have just my little knickknacks on this little end table that I got at a thrift store for like 20 bucks. And these are my Marilyn storage boxes that I bought from work a few years ago. I just keep makeup palettes, lipsticks, and I think one is my Ipsy bags that I gotta go through. These are my books that I want to get a little table for. There's my little, I haven't found a place for her yet, and then that's just a gift bag. And this is more makeup in storage. There's some nail polish there I gotta put away. And on the wall, whoops, out of focus, I have my poodles up there and my kitties there. They're so cute. Above my vanity, I have these lovely pictures in the frame. I bought these at a car boot sale in England when I was visiting my husband before he moved here. I put up the Maryland calendar, that my husband gave me for Christmas. And now for the big reveal, my lovely vanity. It is from the 1920s, and I just fell in love with the mirror, like the detail on it. It'll show. I have to be really careful when I polish the mirror or the wood because it's very, whoops, cut out, and sometimes it'll chip a piece off and I have to glue them on. See right there, I had lost a piece. On my vanity I'm out of breath. On my vanity I have my little tray. That's my tripod because that's where my camera sits when I'm filming tutorials and stuff. My little hairbrush and mirror tray with my comb. And as you can see, all of my, let me move this, my brass vanity items, my hairspray holder from help my hairspray in. God, I can't talk. These are my LED lamps that I bought at Walmart for like $5 or $10. I got one there, and then I have the other one here. They work pretty well for not having a box light. All of my Chanel perfumes, my Besame lipsticks, and my little Besame samples. This little hand vase I keep my brushes in, but I'm going to clean them today, so they're not in there. There's my other brass lipstick holder that I gotta fill up. Over here are my Chanel lipsticks and my one Gwen Stefani. And then back here I have my other lipstick holders, like my poodle. I have a cat one and a little spaghetti poodle, the little Southern Belle. And then there's my vanity mirror for doing tutorials that I showed you last week. And then back here's some more lipstick holders. Under there is a makeup bag and some of my purses. But I just love the detail of my vanity. They just don't make heavy furniture like this anymore. There's the handles. And you can see it's also, whoops, that's where I chipped it last week. There's a piece of wood back there on top of my vanity that I had to glue back on, but I just fell in love with this. I got it for $200, I think, and it had a matching dresser that went with it. And I went back to go buy it, and it was going out the door when I got there that someone beat me to it, and I was so sick that I missed out on it. And then here's my little vanity stool and my little purple furry rug. I have to keep the door closed in here because my cats like to think of that as a cat box. And I'm like, no way, get out of here. So that is my little, I'll give you more detail on my dresser. I just love, this is like almost identical to the vanity, so it's probably around the same era. And there's the handles. So I hope everyone liked this tour. My walls are still a little bit bare, but it's hard to like decide what to put on here. I absolutely hate my hair today. I washed it yesterday, had lots of product in it, went to work, curled it this morning, and the curls just dropped out. So it's a big old mess. So I think later today, I gotta do some errands, so I think I might later today do a hair tutorial updo for spring, and I'm going to do a spring makeup tutorial later today. So I'm gonna be changing my shirt because I have my cup jeans on today, my Levi's, and my pink. What happened there? I don't know, I think I took a picture. Oh, I should have used my phone, but I have my pink Minnetonkas on. nice and comfy today for my day off. So I hope everyone liked this little vanity tour. Let me know below if you'd like to see my antique lamps, and I'll do a tea room tour when I finish that room, because that room's next. So I'll see you later today. Bye.